Were you talking to someone?
No, just my friends.
Ah. And what are your friends made out of?
Stone?
And can stone talk back?
No.
Right again. What kind of conversation is that? It takes two people to communicate, my boy. Who was the other person for you?
You, master.
Right. Corpus Christi.
Amen.
Sanctus Christi. In nomine et Spiritus Sancti. I brought a special treat this morning. Strawberry. Self-control, Quasimodo. It is important to master the art. And manners too.
Thank you, master.
Now, shall I tell today's story?
Yes, yes.
Stories from our home with beautiful statues. And we're up to?
Flight into Egypt.
And what do you remember about that story?
Joseph fled into Egypt.
With his wife Mary and...
baby Jesus.
Yes, who hid them? Who protected them?
Saint
Aphrodisias. Saint Aphrodisias. Is that hidden, protected you? Well, I suppose I should stop stalling. Look at them down there, like horrible vermin scuttling about. And all the gypsies sing and dance.
Gypsies? I thought you said gypsies aren't allowed to sing and dance.
They aren't, except for this one day. The Feast of Fools.
Feast of Fools?
This will be the last time I have anything to say about it.
Last time?
I petition the king to stop next year's festival.
Then I can never go.
Where our king allows the gypsies here is beyond me. Through waters porous as the sea, we let them come and let them live. It's almost as if they were given sanctuary. How it fills me with disgust to walk among them, yet I must. I love to leave you and our lusty sanctuary.
But what if I were to come with you? I'm strong, I can protect you.
You protect me.
Yes, like Saint
Aphrodisias. I'm sorry, my boy. I don't mean to laugh at you. But the truth is, that's what others would do. Worse. The world is cruel. The world is wicked. It's I alone who can trust in this whole city. I am your only friend. I who keep you, feed you, teach you, dress you. I who look upon you without fear. How can I protect you, boy, unless you always stay here, away in here? Remember what I taught you, Quasimodo. You are deformed. You are ugly. And these are crimes for which the world shows little pity. You do not comprehend.
My defender.
Out there they'll vilify you as a monster.
Like a monster.
Out there they will hate and scorn and jeer.
Monster.
Why invite the curses and the consternation? Stay here, be faithful grateful to me. Do as I say, obey and stay in here. Remember, Quasimodo, this is your sanctuary.
Ah, sanctuary.